back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be a job in billing, and it pays very, very well. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Vanta. Now, Vanta does not have a lot of reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, I suggest you come read the actual reviews that are here and do your own research on the company if you're interested in putting the application in. But out of the 55 reviews they do score very, very well. They have a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a billing specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States only, but they are basically looking for somebody to help maintain accurate customer records and timely collection of accounts in their continued growth. So as a billing specialist, you'll be doing daily entry and distribution of customer invoices, cash application, and changes in customer information in the system. You'll be building a strong relationship with the customers, investigating and resolving customer payment issues. You'll work with customers both internally and externally to implement corrective actions to minimize or eliminate reoccurrence of payment issues in the future. So you're going to assist with end-to-end order to cash collection. You'll also be performing reconciliations between the different accounting systems and operating systems to make sure accuracy and completeness of the data and doing the reporting. You'll conduct credit assessments for new customers and, of course, participate in any accounting projects as needed. If this sounds like something that is interesting to you, they are not requiring any kind of college degree or accounting degree. They're looking for somebody who has 2 years or more experience working in billing or a software as a solution company environment. Someone who has experience working with online systems such as Salesforce, NetSuite, or Stripe, Bill.com, those types of things. You have to have great customer service skills, the ability to multitask, and of course that high attention to detail. But again, they are paying very well for this position. Pay is anywhere from $71,000 a year all the way up to $83,000 a year. They also pay 100% of your medical, dental, and vision benefits with dependent coverage. So they are going to pay your premiums for your whole family for insurance. They also give you a 401k and paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.